Did you know there's only one time in the entire Bible where Jesus is described as standing in heaven instead of sitting? It happened during one of the most dramatic moments in early church history. Stephen was chosen as one of the first 7 deacons, a man full of grace and power who performed amazing miracles. He was so wise in debates that no one could argue against him. This made the religious leaders furious, so they brought false witnesses to accuse him of speaking against Moses in the temple. Stephen responded with the longest speech in the book of Acts, boldly telling the entire history of the Jewish people. Then he shocked everyone by accusing these leaders of murdering the Messiah, just like their ancestors killed the prophets. The religious council became so angry they ground their teeth at him, but Stephen looked up and saw heaven open with Jesus standing at God's right hand. As the angry mob dragged him outside the city and threw stones at him, Stephen prayed for God to forgive his killers. A young man named Saul held their coats and watched. Stephen's death sparked the first great persecution that spread Christianity across the entire world.